Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with HubSpot website pages using file backups step by step clearly. To backup your HubSpot website pages using file backups, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing panel on the dashboard. Select website from the drop-down menu. Then, click on website pages to access your website page list. Identify the pages you wish to backup. To export these pages, click on the Actions drop-down menu. Choose Export from the available options. A new window will appear, prompting you to select the format you'd like for your backup. You can select either a CSV or an HTML format. After making your selection, click on the Export button. HubSpot will generate a file containing your selected website pages. Once the export process is complete, a download link will be provided. Click on this link to download your file to your local device. Next, organize the downloaded files into a designated backup folder. Make sure to label the folder clearly for future reference. Store this backup in a secure location, like an external hard drive or cloud storage service. Regularly schedule backups to ensure you always have the latest version of your website pages. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your HubSpot website pages and protect your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.